Hi everyone, in this quick lab I will show you how to use Amazon Macie to scan your S3 buckets for sensitive data like name, email, credit card numbers, etc. So these are personally identifiable data and these data are not to be stored in S3 buckets. With Amazon Macie we can scan the S3 buckets, its content and know if there are any sensitive data over there. If you follow this architecture diagram, Amazon Macie then starts an event page which sends a notification with SNS. So in this lab we are not going to focus on event page and SNS, but in general scenario this is how it's done. Amazon Macie identifies if there are any sensitive data, and if it finds anything then it enables us by notification. It tells us like there are sensitive data, right? So let's start with the lab. Let's just create a bucket. So I've already created one. You can create a new bucket with version enable if you want to, and then I have created one file over here. So in this file I have wrote some email address, credit card numbers randomly and phone numbers. So I just uploaded that file to our S3 bucket. Once the bucket is created, go to Amazon Macie. You can search Macie over here and click on Amazon Macie. So if this is your first time running the Amazon Macie, then there should be different option like enable the Macie. So it will take some time for enabling the entire dashboard. So just click enabled and press confirmation button on every part, and it will take like around 5 minutes for this particular dashboard to appear over here. Once you get to this section, just click on create jobs and click our S3 bucket that we want to scan for and click on next. Then just click on next, and we want to know so this scanning job could be scheduled as well, right? So let's say your S3 bucket gets data every day. The data are being uploaded every day. Then if you want to scan for sensitive information for a particular day, then we can automate the process and enable it to scan daily. So if it is being scheduled job, then we can select daily, monthly or weekly, and the scan is done every time. So sampling depth, so how much of folder that you want to scan, like do you want to go for multiple levels of folder or not. But for this particular demo we're just gonna use one-time job. So this is for file filtration, like if you want to scan only a specific particular type of file. So with this we can minimize the load on Macie and ultimately reduce our cost. But for our current case we only have one file, so we are not gonna change any settings, just one-time job and next. We can create custom types, like what are the different type of data that we want to scan within the file, but there are some recommendation by AWS itself. So yeah, we're just gonna go with the recommendation and click next. So as you can see, it goes for AWS credentials, it goes for Canadian passport number, driving license, and various different things, right? Click on next. We are not going to use any custom data identifiers over here. Let's click on next, and just give a name. Next. So it shows our cost estimation. So currently I am on a free trial for 30 days, so it shows 0. But depending upon the size of S3 bucket, it might increase in future. So job was created. Let's just wait for a while. Click on the job. So I'm just gonna pause this video for a while. So yeah, it took some time, and once you're completed with the running, just click on name, click on show result, show findings, and you can click over the high sensitivity over here, and you can see it says it contains names, email addressing, driver license identification number, etc. So it automatically scans the file and let us know. So if you put that particular job like we saw earlier, so if you put this, let me just click over here, next. So yeah, if you put this job in a schedule like daily, then you will get a report of it in a daily basis on any file updated in your S3 buckets. So if you go to summary, so these are for S3 security summary, but yeah, if you just go to the job, you can see it enables us to know like the content within our S3 bucket is highly sensitive and we need to take action on it. So that's it. Yeah, thanks.